I love it. Chris Malachi says, women must look. I said, just look at me. Where else would you want to look? Jamaica, 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 the land of the greatest creators, the most creative, dynamic musicians in the world. Hail from where?
Jamaica.
And you've been hearing them all morning. Standing to my right is a man of purpose and a man who believes in the power of music. Chris Malachi, thank you for blessing us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you to your ensemble. Where did you find them?
Well, they're a group of just my very talented friends that I have, you know.
Yeah, so I don't have the type of friend there. Where you find them?
You understand? Just blessed enough to know these people, you know. Just blessed enough to know these people over time.
Aren't you blessed?
Yeah,
when
man.
did you start singing, Chris?
I would say I started singing when I was about, say, 15. But before that, I was, you know, like playing the keyboard since I was a child.
So a man of many talents.
You
Not
can-
just the
so
vocals.
so them
but you-
say.
Yeah. So you're good on the keys. Any other instruments?
No, that's it.
All right. Coming in right now, I saw another Bridget outside.
Another Bridget.
Who is a Bridget that's outside, that's not here with us? Tell me about him.
All right, so the name of my brethren outside is JLL.
Yes, who's he?
He is my producer. We just released a joint EP. It's called The Messenger. So it's 7 songs done between the both of us, you know. And yeah, he produced it as well. I co-produced and I wrote the songs and sang them and everything. So yeah,
How
our
long
first
does it-
project together.
First project together,
Yeah.
and the EP is out.
EP
7
out now,
songs.
7 songs.
Where do we purchase?
All right, so you can purchase it on iTunes, Amazon Music, as well as it can be streamed on Tidal, Apple Music. It's on YouTube, Spotify. It's all over.
I ask you that because it's so important that we support our entertainers. We support our Jamaican musicians, not just by hearing you for free on TVJ, but I like the fact that we can purchase your music. So tell me about the songs. What will we feel? What emotions will come when we listen to your EP?
Well, I really hope that you feel some form of upliftment, inspiration, and just that drive to really go after your purpose, because that's really what my music is about at the end of the day.
Excellent. Tell us a contact number if we want to book you for our weddings, for any show going on, any office party in December. How do we find you, Chris and the band? Where do we find you?
All right, the best way to reach me would actually be by social media.
Yes,
I would
tell
say.
us the handle.
So it's at Chris Malachi.
Yes.
That's on Instagram, at Chris Malachi on Instagram, on Twitter. And my email address is chrismalachimusic@gmail.com.
Excellent. Great singers, absolutely beautiful. Why is
Thank you.
Neville over there with the singers?
You just said great singers, thank you.
What are you doing? Don't mash up the sound!
Level a big singer, man.
By the way, I'll be here with Dahlia tomorrow. We start at 6 o'clock and we discuss surrogacy laws in Jamaica and what? V-chick designs, don't know what that is, but just join us at 6 o'clock.
Everybody walk good, and I have to acknowledge
I didn't say it to make I didn't
again,
say it.
the amazing band with Chris. You all sound so good, percussionists, musicians, vocalists.
Thank
and I have
you.
to highlight the Edna Manley crew as well. Great musicians, great institution.
Al?
It's a great day. Put
Al
a
is a
smile on your
criminal.
face. What do you say?
Al is a criminal, I don't know.
Who is a criminal?
See him right there?
You too.
Man is not no criminal.
Man
a
is no
good
crime.
youth.
Man. Hey, my people, remember to walk good. And to all Rastafari, tomorrow we celebrate our Ethiopian New Year. Enough love. Mwah. I'm a Seganalu in Amharic. Walk good and be blessed. Let's do this.
Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. And nobody knows the things that I've seen. So I wanna tell you just who I am. Oh, I wanna tell you where I stand. Mama said, make the most of what me got. Just a voice and a flow we not forgot. Act like cook food, make we stir the pot. Walking non-stop though the journey long. I'ma finally find where the party's on. And they tired on the level where the crows belong. And I mean next up for the position. Step in a Israel with the fate of Abraham. Malachi rise up for building nation. Calling everyone from one to pension. Life give with tests to pass the exam, me no eat them off my college education. Watch what you say about my generation, cause we run through school without detention. Walking smooth without no tension, sang them real without pretension. It's all I've got.
All I've got.
So take me as I am, take me as I am. These songs are all I've got.
All I've got.
So take me as I am, take me as I am. So I wanna tell you just who I am. Oh, I wanna tell you where I stand. Sometimes when I feel like carry on, think about my life, we inclined for ball. Sometimes I feel we ignore the call. Try stand up tall, but in time we fall. Miss enough man, better try change the world. What God could have wanted that you like me. Him say, son, I'll take you through the hurt. Just speak the truth and set the youth free. Me alone just can't withstand the flames. If you pray, if you call upon Jesus' name. This game is not a quick one to play. We're singing it just the same. And we're going for the win. Never never burn my skin. Not an option to give in. That's the reason why I sing these songs are all I've got. So take me as I am, take me as I am. These songs are all I've got.
All I've got.
Take me as I am, take me as I am. So I